Tomorrow morning. The total eclipse will happen between 11:30 p.m. and 12:30 a.m. and takes place when the moon is full and perfectly aligns with the earth and sun. It will appear a striking red color in the night sky and does not require any special eyewear to see it.
Okay, but those of us here in Central California may not get to see the eclipse if the weather is too cloudy. This is a live look from Yosemite National Park this morning, where you can see the higher elevations are getting plenty of fresh snowfall. It's been coming down at a steady pace all night long. Okay, going back to the eclipse, it's basically going to happen like all day tomorrow. Can we see it during the day?
No, so it's really just the evening. So it starts around like 8:30, I think.
Okay.
We just said, and then it ends at 3 a.m. So it's.
But the best
really
part is between that 11:30 and 12:30.
Yes.
That's like the near totality, or
yes.
Okay, got it.
So of course we're hoping clouds will cooperate, but it's going to be tough. Have to be honest about that.
Yeah.
So we'll show you that forecast, of course, in just a moment here. But our story this morning continues to follow the rain and the snow. It has been slowing down a bit for some of the higher elevations, even parts of the valley, but we still do have those raindrops falling on our camera over downtown Fresno. The roads are soaked. I mean, there's this rain that we've been seeing has been falling since 7 p.m. yesterday and is now just starting to break apart a bit. So quite a bit of rainfall that's going to make things a bit tough on the roads. It's also cold out there. We're waking up to those 40s all across the valley floor. So let's talk about the rain. Where is it happening? Where is it not? Well, we do have some areas seeing some dry breaks, but as we zoom in here, a bit of a resurgence of that rain, even mixing in with some snow, looks like up in Mariposa. But we do have a downpour just going east of Chowchilla, heading into Madera. So heads up there, just crossing over the 99. Travel is going to be tough there with low visibility, light showers in the Fresno area, but there is also some dry breaks in the Hanford area, and Porterville also just getting out of the rain that they've been seeing all night. So rain will continue to break apart through this morning, but it will become a lot more scattered this afternoon. And something we're trying to emphasize with this is the thunderstorm threat. Our models continue to say that around the 2 to 3 p.m. time frame, anywhere across the valley is fair game for those sudden pop-up storms that could have heavy rain, lightning, small hail, and even additional gusty winds that can cause damage. So we will be on alert for that this afternoon. And then, of course, crossing our fingers tonight that we could get some clearing, because if we do, the moon is going to turn that dark reddish color. It's going to be very cool, but you are going to have to stay up very late to see it. The eclipse actually starting around 9 p.m. Totality, the coolest part, is going to be closer to 11:30, and then, of course, ending right around 3 a.m. So it's a very late night, early morning eclipse. It will be tough if we still have clouds that will linger tonight. So any additional rain in storms, of course, is going to send any of these totals here up. We could see anywhere between another quarter to half an inch of rainfall, and snow showers that will continue for our mountain communities will also add up as well heading into parts of Friday. The weekend does look to be a lot drier. We will see improvements starting late Friday evening. Temperatures that are cool the next couple of days will get a bit of a boost back into the 60s by Saturday.
All right, Christine.